everybody, thank you for joining me. My name is Josée from the French Branch and Maker Lab of the SDG Library. As we're celebrating Science Literacy Week, I've been combining my love of art and math, put it together to create something fun. This time we're going to do something called Cubist Creations, which is a type of art style that uses geometry specifically. And we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. So to do so, I would recommend getting one of these or just like a little plastic knife because we're going to be using Play-Doh and we need to cut the Play-Doh into a couple of different kinds of shapes. Once you get all of that, the only other thing you'll need is a drawing, a picture, something cut out of something that you like a favorite animal, or in my case, I really like mushrooms. So I've gone ahead and I found a coloring page with a mushroom on it. So Cubist art, we're going to start off with the first step is just to find what shapes can I see inside the art that I want to recreate. So I've gone ahead and I've made circles, which I will try to fit in different places where I see where it can go. And I have different sizes. Then I have like little triangles where I can try to fit them in. I've made myself rectangles too. Can I fit a rectangle in here? Kind of. But I think another triangle will do it. And a rectangle. And I'm going to continue doing this. So go ahead and try it out yourself. And then we'll go on to step 2 right afterwards. And there we go. I finished my work of art. I hope that you've gotten a chance to finish yours as well. So, most of the time when we think of geometric shapes, like rectangles or triangles, we think of angles and straight lines and corners. And other than the circle, we don't really see curved lines. But in real life, outside, there are curved lines everywhere. So Cubist Creations kind of gives us a chance to play around with those geometric shapes and create something new, find a new perspective on what it is that we're looking at. So I'm just transferring over my work here, and I'm taking these basic building blocks of my mushroom, and now I'm going to create something different with it. I'm just going to put them up here, like this. If you happen to be doing an animal as your Cubist creation, go ahead and try to rearrange your shapes in a way that suggests what it is an animal usually does. Since I have a mushroom, I'm just going to go ahead and take all the pieces and kind of mimic how I think a mushroom grows, which is sprouted out of the ground. Something like this. I like to use my shapes. Wait. Right. Maybe I could go ahead and mix up the colors. Oh, but mushrooms have spores, so maybe I should just do something fun like this, where it looks like it's turning into dust. Woo! And there you go. This is my Cubist creation of a mushroom. So, hopefully you've had a lot of fun doing this, and you can do it over and over again. You can do it with markers, tracing in the actual shapes and cutting them out and scrambling them up, and see the exact thing, but from a different perspective by cutting it into basic geometric shapes. Well, I hope you had fun, and I hope you learned a little something about geometry, which is one of my favorite math subjects. So feel free to go ahead and show that off to me. But until next time, I hope you have fun, and I'll see you around.